Today, I want to share with you 5 lessons I learned from posting 150 plus type beats. Yeah, you heard that right, 150 plus type beats. But before I dive into those lessons, let me tell you why I stopped posting type beats altogether. To be honest, I've decided to shift my focus towards other opportunities that excite me. I'm now exploring sound design and building a team of talented producers and musicians. I want to create a community that supports and elevates each other's work. I'm passionate about creating new sounds and pushing boundaries of music production, and I believe that building a team will allow me to collaborate with others, learn from them, and possibly create something truly special. Lesson number 1: quality is more important than quantity. When I first started posting type beats, I was focused on churning out as many beats as possible. But looking back, I realized that I compromised on quality. Lesson number 2: don't just post beats, build a brand. When I was only posting type beats, I was just another producer in a sea of producers. But when I started focusing on building my brand, everything changed. Lesson number 3, engage with your audience. When I was only posting type beats, I wasn't really interacting with my audience. But when I started responding to comments, answering questions, showing behind the scenes content, my engagement improved. Lesson number 4, don't rely on type beats alone. When I was only posting type beats, I was putting all my eggs in one basket. But when I started diversifying my content, exploring other revenue streams, my business became more sustainable. Lesson number 5, focus on your unique strength. When I was posting type beats, I was trying to emulate other producers and fit in with the crowd. But when I started focusing on my unique strength and style, my samples became more authentic and distinctive. So there you have it, 5 lessons I learned from posting 150 plus type beats. I hope these lessons help you on your music production journey. Remember, it's not about posting type beats, it's about building a brand, engaging with your audience and focusing on your unique strengths. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.